If your LG monitor shows an out-of-range message, it means your computer is sending a resolution or refresh rate the monitor cannot display. This usually happens after changing display settings, installing new graphics drivers, or connecting a new PC or laptop. The monitor simply can't process the signal it's receiving. The quickest fix is to restart your computer. Temporary display glitches often clear after a reboot. If the message remains, start your system in safe mode. Safe mode loads basic display settings, allowing you to lower the resolution and refresh rate to something your monitor supports. Set the resolution to a standard option like 1920x1080 and ensure the refresh rate matches your monitor's specifications, commonly 60 Hz or 75 Hz. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are another major cause. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Updated drivers ensure proper communication between your system and monitor. Next, verify your monitor's supported resolutions and refresh rates by checking the user manual or LG's official specifications page. Make sure your computer's display output stays within those limits. Also, inspect your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Loose, damaged, or low-quality cables can cause signal conflicts. Try switching cables or ports if needed. If you're using HDMI, check your monitor's on-screen menu for an option like HDMI Ultra Deep Color. Disabling this setting can sometimes restore compatibility.